Hey everyone, this is Hafizullah Masoodi and you're watching from Code with Hafiz. I am really happy to announce that the update of course Master Laravel with Vue JS has been completed, and now you can learn about new concepts in these two great frameworks to build any kind of web application on any scale. So the versions that are used throughout this course will, for Laravel it is version 9, and for Vue JS it is version 3. So versions doesn't matter unless you get the core concepts of programming. You will be good to go. And whenever there's a new version in the market, you will migrate very easily. So if you want to learn more about this course, please visit the course landing page in Udemy's website, as you can see in my screen. So this is the landing page, and you will find all the information related to this course in here. So then you can decide if this course is for you or not. Now I have provided a first 100 students coupon which includes more discount on the course. So instead of buying the course for $84.99, now you can buy it for $9.99. Now please note that the coupon code will work for 5 days from this date of uploading the video. So make sure to use this coupon code in one of the upcoming 5 days. So you can find the coupon code in the description of this video, and it's your only chance to get this amazing course in so much low price. So hurry up and be one of the 100 students who get this discount. So this was just to announce this great opportunity for you, so you don't miss this chance of learning these great two frameworks from basics to advanced level. Now last but not least, I hope to see you in my course, and yeah, don't forget to give this video a like and a nice comment too. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe too if you want more videos from me. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.